In the pilot episode, a tiny caravan studio is reimagined with modular, plant-driven walls that breathe life into compact travel. A veteran van lifer and a biophilic designer discuss how to weave natural textures into every fold of a mobile home. They explore lightweight, recyclable materials and hidden storage that disappear when not needed, keeping spaces serene and functional. The experts share real stories of transforming cramped office pods into collaborative habitats using color psychology and flexible zoning. Viewers are guided step by step to choose adaptable furniture, anchor plants safely, and celebrate small, joyful spaces every day.